Hello guys, today's topic is how to create a cone in Solidworks, and we'll see how to create development view on that cone also. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, let's get the part, and now we have to prepare the sketch also. Okay, I think the front plane. Okay, then first we need to click this line, create this line. Okay, then you have to create the cone. Okay, then put this line as per your requirement. You can put this angle also. I'll put 20 degree. Okay, then the length also as per your requirement you have to mention. Okay, my requirement is something, this one is 50. Okay, then this length is something 200. Okay, okay. Then you need to fix fully this, right? Then what will do, you have to click this point and click this point also. Just click horizontal. Okay, now this full sketch will be constant, was constant right now. Okay, then just go to the feature option and click the revolve option. Okay, when you click that option will come, you have to click yes. Okay, now we have to give a thickness of the plate, something 1.5 mm thickness, I guess. Okay, here you need to give the main thing 360 degree. No, you have to give 359 degree. Okay, understood? No, because in plate we cannot round fully. Understood? No, some cut section should be there. Okay, last end section, that's why. And then you have to give the material also. You have to click over here and click some as per your requirement. Just put the materials. Okay, okay. Now you have to save this part. I'll save somewhere else in my system. Desktop 3. Okay. Okay. Now it's look like a cone, and I'll give some color also for this. Just like yellow color. Okay. Then we have to. Okay. Then this is the chord section area, joint area. Okay. When you, in this area you have to weld. Okay. Then go to sheet metal. Okay. This insert band option is there. You have to click that insert band and click this line only. Understood? No? Then click OK. No need to do anything. Okay. Understood? Then you have to click this here. See? Is that understood? No? Then click this. It should be like this. Okay. When you use somewhere else, just like in assembly, you have to every time it should be separate. Every time it should be separate. Separate means close. Otherwise, that assembly, in that assembly, no, some error will come. Okay. Then I have to show you the how to get the development view. Okay. Then we'll go to the drawings. Okay. Make drawings. Okay. I'll choose A4 sheet over here. Let's go A4 sheet. Okay, no, this is Solidworks sheet only. I didn't prepare anything. Okay, just I call this part. Okay, it will come. Okay, I'll delete this. Okay, then you have to give this also. Okay, you have to give the dimensions. You want to give means you can give the dimensions like this. Okay, then main thing is how to see the development view over here. Okay, then I'll call this, click that view and double click this. Okay, then here you need to click this option. Okay, then click the preview option also. It will come like this. Okay, it will come like this. See this is one plate. Okay, then this is not look like good because it should be in straight. Okay, then what you will do, you need to click this. Okay, rotate it. Just rotate as per your first 25 degree. Then it's not sufficient. Then give 35 degree. It is not sufficient. Then give something 50 degree. Okay. Also it's not sufficient. Then give 60 degree. Okay. Now see, this look like good. Then now you can give the dimensions also. See here. Just click this point and click this point. This is the length of the plate. Okay, maximum length is required for this 460.84 required maximum cutting length. Then height also required. No. Now you will create one line. Okay. Then next one line. Okay. Then give some dimension over here. Anything, just like 200. Okay. Then you need to click this center point and to click over here. Okay. Then you need to increase this length to this point. Then increase this something to 30 and zoom it a little bit to 35 to 36, almost to 36 only. See, you can get that development, this is the plate length and width. Then you can give this drawing 1:1 file for laser cutting. Okay, please subscribe my channel for like this type of video. Okay, thank you so much.